Hello everyone, back with me again at this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the improved video quality tutorial on CapCut. So here what you need to do is import your video and then just go to adjust, then put the color adjustment like this. The sharpness, set it into 100 and then set the contrast into 10, saturation to exposure, set it into 5, and then set the highlight into 10. And after that, click on the adjust cell on the red color, set the saturations into 10. Okay, go back, click on the check icon and then go to overlay, and under the stock videos add the black image. Okay, adjust the size until it covers whole clips. Go to splice, click on normal and set it into 20 like this. And after that, click on a check icon and here adjust the black image until the end of the clips. And now you are done. Here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.